Watch, watch. Of the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, man? Hey, franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. And you know when me I represent a full effect thing. You know it go already, you know. When me aim up, load up, crank up and drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You know a loud explosion, right? Right. You know a Sunday morning. Right now some stew peas me there are deal with it. You see what I say? Because here I go on. Me not eat pork. So right now, a piece of salt beef, some fresh beef, and some steppers me I use. If you don't know what name steppers, a chicken foot name, say you hear that? It's a ghetto slang. Watch. So here what me I say. First and foremost, me's a man. I want big up Winford Williams. You see what I deal with? Big up Winford Williams to the fullest. You see what I deal with? And I want to see how man attack things different from woman. It's not every woman are the same, so I'm not bash me, I bash woman. But that's all me did want Jenny for do. Same like how Winfred deal with her intelligent and appropriate and drag out what she have inside her. That she have to break down and them thing there because words are power, you know. And sometimes it's not what we doing or how we do it, you know. So for all of you people when I do my video and I talk about Jenny, you know, I'm not running in my comment box and I tell me about apologize to what and this and that and what and all kind of stupidness. Well, yeah man, that's all I like downgrade people, right? Jenny intention was the only thing was to call her upon her program for style her as a whore. She's a child. You know what I mean? And big people make mistake, much less look up at me. Someone ask Jenny if she never do nothing wrong in her field, childhood growing up. Or she never do nothing wrong as a big woman said where. You know what I mean? I want to know if she perfect and clean. She just go through life big and smooth like that. That's what I deal with. So the reason why I say all of this, you know, I just want you to know, you know, parent, you know. Remember, you know, discipline come from your home first, you know. You see what I deal with? And the same thing with love, you know, my brethren. And me hear a whole heap of people are come out and I say this, and a whole heap of people are come out and I say that. Listen to what I say. Yo, mackerel mother, you know, I said mackerel runway. And them thing there, you know, at all 11-year-old and them shit there. I said she can't manage her. No, I wasn't there, right? So I don't know, I just go off of what them I say. But in my lifetime growing up as a youth, you know what I mean, and I watch other kids grow, I ask you something people. Which 11-year-old you can have in your house gear chat and not comply underneath your rules and regulation? Yo, then I saw the country get fucked up. That mean the parents them can't school a 11-year-old. Come on, man, 11-year-old, me not stupid, man. What me can do? Run away, go where? Go dead out on the street? Come on, man. Me not rate them thing there. 11-year-old, you can't control. You as the parent, then why you have a child? Why you have the child then? If you can't manage a child, why you gonna have a child? If you don't know you don't fit for angle a child and don't have all the necessary equipment and not have the time nor the patience for that. Because a child is a loyal person, is a personal, you know, liability in a child, you know, personal, you know. You see me, it's a thing we have to attend to every day, you know, my brethren. Every minute, you know. You know what I mean? Come on, man. What are you doing? What are you saying? You know what I mean? Because I see a whole heap of people are bash and a whole heap of people are chat this and a whole heap of people are chat that. Let me tell you something, man. Why you think girl pick the eyes where click on to them father? You know what I mean? At a man that have to love her first in his life. The man that have to show her love first. Him have to get that bond there with her first. If him not do that, she go out the road, go search it. You know what I mean? And when time you go out the road, go search it, you not gonna know who you can buck up on. So here what go on. As me did done I tell you from morning in my interview when I do about mackerel and I say what the government do about them teenager they we get pregnant, you know what I mean, under the age of consent. What the government do about it? And that me ask, you know. Right now, you know, if mackerel baby father watch this, you know, me ask you something. You'd like to have a 12-year-old daughter and you see she come in your house pregnant, my brethren? What kind of idiot thing that you do? You see what me I deal with? And you gotta have sex with her and I come inside her and she's a baby. Yo, me tell you something, you one wicked brother in my brethren. So no care how mackerel say, you deal with the youth good or whatever, you're supposed to because you're a youth and you come like a raper and get the youth. You know what I mean? All when she give because she wasn't time. And the time for she go up and cutting table. You see what I deal with? It's not time. I'm not too wicked. You know what I mean? I'm not too gruesome. You know what I mean? I'm not a big man and I'm not have no money. We're not going to buy some ore. Go buy some ore when time you don't do what you do, you don't have no strings attached. You go but you go on a separate ways. You understand me? But you can't take the look of the people picking them and do them that. Just because them probably not underneath a strong parents guidance. Me not understand them shit there, you know. I'm tired for telling you, you know. I'm tired for telling you, you know. Right now, you know. People hungry chat about mackerel because of that them know, you know. You know how much of that are going in the ghetto? Why you think you have so much murder going and a man come kick off people do and kill people and them shit there? Why you think? The youth them not have no parent. The youth them just not get up and grow themselves so them run wild with anything in the street. You see what I deal with? Because watch it. At the same thing, you know. I show you say the internet, you know, it good and bad, you know. The internet not bad, you know. A people bad, you know, my brethren. Where them post on it, you know. Yo, we watch Cargo come out, you know, and talk about his mother, you know. Cargo never say a wrong thing, you know, the perfect thing the man say, you know. Mothers can get away with everything, right? I want to kill the youth for that. The whole I want to kill him on a slaughter him on the internet for that. You know what I mean? On a slaughter him, you know, on the internet for that, you know. I know some people want to say, justify, yo, I your mother, this and that, and where. Yo, most youth not the ghetto and them thing there, you know. Them going to live by the parent name, you know, my brethren. The action not there behind it, you know, my brethren. So you're going to label yourself as a parent, you know, the action not there behind it, you know, where the action there. You know what I mean? No action not there. You know what I mean? As a parent. You know what I mean? Because you don't deal with some stupid thing. I see mother and daughter in a dance and them claim them a show off and a hype and a take picture and a chat up in a camera and all them things. All them things they are total slackness. You know what I mean? So no go look on this thing here. One way, you know. It's not a lollipop thing, you know, my brother. No, I see a girl. Is in an interview with mackerel mother. I forgot what she name. I don't remember if I tease her. Whatever she name. You see me? A mackerel mother. After the girl a question her and shit like that. I like how the girl deal with it. The girl that talk to her real intelligent and appropriate. But one thing I don't like how the girl deal. The girl should have asked her, yo, how can you be a parent and you can't control a 11-year-old? That me that want to ask her mother, because mackerel mother says she can't control her. 11-year-old? Yo, 11-year-old, my brethren, living underneath your roof and you can't control her. I don't understand that thing there, you know what I mean? That thing that thing there in my brain. I don't understand it. And before, you know what I mean? Before you try to even like come clean and try to fix this and try to fix the problem. Here what you want to do, you want to be a part of the solution. Here mackerel mother, a sing song, say she make her stronger. Oh, that to make you stronger and you look a baby that. So you know no love fear. Oh mean that make you stronger. That's the life what she live and what she go through, you know, my brethren. That's what she live, you know, verbally, you know, what she go through, you know. You know what I mean? How that for make you stronger. Like say, well then, yo, that with uno parent, you know. When you don't do wrong thing, you know. You don't want nobody question it. You don't want nobody talk on it. And them stuff there. And if you talk on it as a kid, you're wrong because you're not supposed to talk to your parents now. You're not supposed to question anything. So, even if your parents wrong, you're supposed to sup up that and just go on because that's how it goes. Yo, back then, you know, and now, you know, two different time, you know. Them youth you go ask question, you know. And then a lollipop thing, you know, and I like we, you know, we grew up, you know, and I need axe style and pig style, you know, and know how it going, you know, and hold harder with that, you know. Them pitney are a different pitney, you know, man. Them pitney are grow up and know about a lot and whole heap of thing, you know. Some of them come like them have all chip in them brain, them get up, them the pitney dust born and something where them can't find on all your phone, you can't even believe. Not even you can find that. You have to wonder if it's a chip you look man having in brain. You know what I mean? So them kids are different. And you know what I mean? And you have to have good road model for your kid, my brother. You have to have good road model for your kids. Mackerel mother said she couldn't control her 11-year-old and she tell her father said to come take her because she can't control her. John, know, that wicked, you know what I mean? That wicked. You know what I mean? And me I say, you see in this life, me's a man, you know. Let me tell you something. Me's a man, you know. No really, you know. I come from ghetto, you know. You see me I deal with born and grow in a ghetto and them shit there, you know. But here what go on. Me's a man when I'm not against the ghetto, you know. But me have things inside of me, you know. You know what I mean? About the people them in the ghetto, you know. And the lifestyle where them choose, you know. You see what I deal with? And where them get hype over, you know. You see what I deal with? And where everybody want to mimical them one another over and them shit there, you know. It's total nothing, you know. We want sacrifice zero, you know, my brother. You know what I mean? And if people go hear the little girl cry and then come out and I go like say, you know want bash her and deal with her any type of way. Yo, I know my girl still that killing her. You see what I deal with? But I one thing in my life with her. She truthful. You see what I deal with? Because here what? The thing that my girl all come on the internet and I say, you know, and all in an interview, you know. Enough big woman now go come out and do that. Just even like mackerel mother. She now go come out and talk certain shit. Because she now go want herself look bad. And that understandable. But let me tell you something. You have to upset the wrong, you know. Just like how you upset the right, you know. So you can jump up big and mighty when you're right. You know what I mean? And then when time on the wrong, when you go like so, you want to hide it inside and then pretend. All of them shit they're wrong. There ain't no pretend in a real life. This is not a fairy tale thing. You see what I deal with? And I always say this. As a parent, the first thing you do when you see say you're a child, a certain look of understanding, a certain look of shit. You have to break the news to them first. You can't wait till nobody to do that. Now make them go up on the street go learn that verbally. So first thing you have to go tell your kid about your lifestyle growing up as a mother. You know what I mean? And try to make sure walk far from the step where you take. That means she can put one foot better in her life. You understanding? You understand me? Because the understanding and the levels are things where you try to bring to her and a break in her ears. So even if she not there on you, when she about to attempt them thing there, she have to get the flashback in her brain. That's how everybody work. It have a flashback in her brain. So she have to take precaution and you know what I mean? And control a certain little things where she do. 11-year-old, my virgin. Is a little baby that, my virgin. 11-year-old. How can you can't control a little baby? Alright, she go away. See she get pregnant at 12-year-old, right? And then all of you want chat up on the mouth and chat this and chat that. Yo, I'll tell you something. When people are talk about Goody come out, and them shit there, everybody like it and thing like that, Me never like it until last night when I watch Winford Williams, You hear that? Because all them time they wanna talk about Goody come out, she never come out. And now she come out. You know what I mean? She come out the real way. I'm a rate her. I wish her all the best. You know what I mean? A real thing. I mean, he's not a rich man, You see what I deal with? I mean, he's not a man who I go show off and hype about certain things. But if Mac will get herself in an end-of-manly school, she can link me. If I even 3 months, I can respond to her lunch money and on a lollipop thing. You know what I mean? Yo, a God put the word in her mouth, Goody come out and all these things are the best thing she ever got for her in her life. Are the only thing that where people show her so much love about.